Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, are you offended with me? Are you offended with me? क्या तुम मेरे से खफा हो? Second, more mouths will have more talks. More mouths will have more talks. जितने मुंह उतनी बातें. 3. The ablution is void. The ablution is void. वज़ू टूट गया है. 4. He has an upset stomach. He has an upset stomach. उसका पेट खराब है. 5. Dramatization will not work here. Dramatization will not work here. यहाँ ड्रामे बाजी नहीं चलेगी. 6. I'll expose you one day. मैं तुम्हें एक दिन बेनकाब कर दूंगा. 7. Must offer prayer. Must offer prayer. नमाज पढ़ा करो. 8. I was not even aware. I was not even aware. हालांकि मुझे भी नहीं पता था. 9. He didn't even tell me. उसने मुझे तक नहीं बताया. He didn't even tell me. 10. Finally, he won the match. Finally, he won the match. आखिर वो मैच जीत गया. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.